In this video, we are going to give a quick overview of Visual Trader and then show just how easy it is to create buy setups using the trade controls in Visual Trader. On the right of the chart, you will find the Trade Controls form. At the top of the form is the Money Management section where you can quickly change your risk amount and view your trade parameters. The Trade Parameters area shows the fill quantity, purchase amount, stop limit, and share size. The amounts in this section are based on where the price lines are located on the chart. Below the Money Management section, you have the Trade Management section where you will set your desired trade managements. Up to 5 different trade managements can be set for each trade. In this case, the trade managements are set to 1R all or nothing and 2R all or nothing. You can click the drop-down arrow to select a trade management from a list of preset trade managements. For example, I can add a 3R all or nothing trade management to the current trade managements. Below Trade Management section is the Order Management section. The Order Management section displays the entry price and stop price as well as buttons to place, close, and cancel orders. The bottom section contains the price line manipulation buttons that will help manipulate the price lines. We are going to create a quick buy setup with the entry and stop price lines using the bars on the chart as a reference. Normally, the price lines will follow along one bar behind the currently forming bar. To move the price lines, click either the entry or stop price line. In this case, we are going to click the stop price line and drag it to the desired area where you would like the stop price to be. Secondly, we will grab the entry price line and drag it to where you would like the entry price to be. Notice how the R value price lines automatically adjust based on where the entry and stop lines are moved. Once you have the entry and stop price lines set up to the desired price levels, click the Place Order button and the required orders are sent to the TradeStation servers to be filled. Notice, the stop and entry orders as well as the 1R, 2R, and 3R order lines are displayed on the chart based on your trade management selections and the risk level that you set. The small rectangle at the entry order line is the stop limit order area. In this case, the stop limit order has been set to 20% of the stop amount in Trader's Toolbox. To cancel the order, just click the Cancel Order button here. Once the order has been canceled, we can adjust the price lines to create a buy setup with a larger stop if desired. We can also click Reset to reset the price lines and they will jump back to their original locations, and then we can click and drag them to create a different buy setup. Let's say you would like to create a new order with a $50 risk level and a single 2R all or nothing trade management. Just change your risk level, change your trade managements, and then click the Place Order button to send the orders to the TradeStation servers. Notice, your new orders with your new trade management is now displayed on the right of the chart. This video is just a quick example of how easy it is to quickly create and manage trades using Visual Trader. In later videos, we will show how you can create customized trade managements in Trader's Toolbox that will allow you to expand on the trade management capabilities of Visual Trader. Thanks for watching this demonstration of Visual Trader.